Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick little project share. I am making some chunky embellishments that I am sending off to a crafty friend, Pia. She is having a giveaway challenge. Her YouTube channel is Craftmazing. I will leave the link in the description box below so you can go check it out. But you can see I just was using some rosettes that I had already made, some crepe paper rosettes as well as the paper ones, and I am just layering them together with some hot glue. I've just added a bunch of the tinsel yarn eyelash trim. I just bunched it up, you know, and then I added those flowers that I have pre-made. I will put a link here to the video where I made those. So I just show you, I just made a few. I'm adding this leaf that I've got from my stash. Sorry that I keep going off frame. So I do make a few of them here. I'll show you a few more. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for coming. I hope you decide to subscribe and join me on my crafty journey. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you for always coming and supporting. I appreciate you so much. I just added a word sentiment there, wishing you, and that chunky embellishment is done. So here's another one. So I just grabbed the pre-made crepe paper rosettes I have and trim them down like you see around the chunky paper rosette I've made. I think I've scored those at a 1/4 inch. No, it's got to be a 1/2 inch. Might be a 1/4 inch. But I'm using that twine or yarn, the same trim that I used before, and just adhering it with that hot glue gun and using my Dollar Tree makeup applicator so I don't burn my fingers, and then just trying to place where I want the sentiment and that layered flower to go. So once I decide, I just add hot glue and adhere. Check it out. But look how cute. I love it. So they're so chunky. And this is probably the last one I show you guys. And it's sped up. How's your holidays, ladies? Are you guys getting all your shopping done? Comment below. I know some of you might be already done with your shopping, which is amazing. Here's the last one. I'm just adding some more of that twine. And there's the 3. Okay, so I'm back with the finished ones. Here they are. And so she's only asking for 7 of them, I believe. Yep, 7 of them. And that's it. So you still have time. It's not due till December 10th if you want to join her challenge and help her celebrate. I will leave the link to her YouTube channel in the description box below. Again, it is Craftmazing. And she's having a giveaway challenge. Hope you guys are having a blessed day. And you can find more videos like these here. Consider subscribing and sharing this video. And until my next one, shakas!